Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to be playing with some fun products from Scrappy Tails. Okay, you guys have seen already all the fun things that I got with the Halloween collections that came out in August, so here is another video using those. Today I'm going to be using one of the pieces of paper out of the Scary Halloween Party paper pack and the Perfect Halloween Night. You saw some other cards where I was using that recently too. Love it, love it. And I'm going to use a sentiment out of the Ghostly Sentiment stamps. Now this is going to be a quick and easy card because I kind of ran out of time and I need to go ahead and get this done. So I'm using this background and I'm going to be playing with these cute little ghosts. Yes, just the one die. The die sets are so packed, you've got lots of things you can play with, but you don't have to do them all at once. I'm just going to trim this down to the size of my card front, going at 4 inches by a 5 1/4. So we've got that little bit of space around the edges. And that's my background. That's it. Yeah, I know. This one is super simple. Let me first, I do need to stamp out a sentiment, and the one that I want to use today is, like I said, it's going to be real simple. It's going to be the Happy Halloween. And we're going to just stamp on a piece of scrap cardstock that I've got sitting around. I love it when I get to use up some of my scraps, and the ghost die was actually even small enough so I could use one of my scraps, one of these little scrap pieces, to die cut those little ghosts out. It was perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's use some Gina K ink. Get that nice and inked up. And then I'll just trim this piece down because I want it to go horizontally across my card. There we go. So now we have a sentiment banner. So I'm just adding that panel to my card base, and like I said, I did trim this down a little smaller than A2 size so I could have that little white border, which is going to tie in well with our little ghosts. And of course, what I always do to make my cards pop is I add a little foam. So we're going to be doing that. First, I do need to trim down my sentiment a little bit. So just going to trim off the end because I need this to be right at 5 1/4. And I want it to be pretty much straight. So there we go. Actually, I think I'm going to glue this one down and just pop my ghosts up. And this time I'm going to use some adhesive foam squares instead of my regular foam tape, since this is going to be the only dimension that's on there. And because I don't want it to overlap any of the holes there, I'm also going to trim this a little bit of the foam so I can fit it on there better. And I think that is gonna work perfect. Just need to add some foam to my other 2 little ghosties. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. Actually, I need a little bit more foam. Put a little piece on the opposite side. And there we go. That's going to finish up this quick and simple, super cute Halloween card using Scrappy Tails products. You guys be sure to check out this playlist to see the other videos where I'm using Scrappy Tails products, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.